what a nightmare. I just had a weird nightmare dream. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna suffocate myself. So how am I now supposed to... Oh, how am I supposed to adopt humans? Abduct, quack. That. Now, if you see a YouTube video that's not funny, what do? Type in LOL in the comments box. There's no problem with television and movies and media at all. I don't understand why the Crooks show has to keep looking at us simpleton idiots. Let me do this again. Sorry. Oh. And why the Crooks show has to keep looking at the mainstream society conformists. I'm bad. I don't know. Be my trailer. I'm not gonna kick everything around. And I know that 1 + 1 = fish eggs.